All right, moving right along. I want to say the Astros are 2022 world champions. All right, it is what it is. Hate on us all you want, but okay, so I got distracted. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to do the latch clip, and it kind of looks like a Mandalorian face helmet plate thingy. I don't know, it just looks like the Mandalorian. I'm a big Star Wars fan, so yeah, I'm a big total nerd. Not that if you're a Star Wars fan, you're a nerd, but anyway. I'm gonna go to new, so dimensions are in inches. So I'm gonna use English, standard, create. May the force be with you. I'm just saying, okay. May the force be with us on this part creation. So start 2D sketch. I'm gonna start on this XY plane here. And then I'm gonna use the line tool. I'm gonna start at this corner here, or not corner, but this origin here. And I'm gonna go straight up by 1. I'm going to go to the right by 6.5. I'm gonna go down 1. Yeah, down by 1. And then here, I'm just gonna kind of draw this kind of basic shape of what it kind of looks like. So these are actually even. So this is even with that. I don't know if it'll lock on there, but I'm just gonna draw it up. I'm gonna come over and down and over and down. And then just over here a little bit and back to where we started. Did I grab in that? Did I click? Yeah, I think I got the endpoint there. All right, so now I'm going to start adding dimensions on here to get it exactly what they want it to look. So from here down is 4. I got kind of close. I'm kind of proud of myself. 4. That's 1. This is going to be, here is 3.5. 3.5. Here is 1. From here to there is 1. From this corner to this corner or origin or whatever you want to call it is 1.75. And then from here, let's see, let me do this one first. So from here to here, this corner, that is 4.75. 4.75. And then from here to here is 2.75. 2.75. Boom. All right, so from here to here is 1. There we go. So that is our latch clip sketch. I'm just looking over this to double check. That's 3.5. That's 1. Oh wait. Okay, from here to here, from this line to this line is, that's 1.5. 1.5. There we go. I'm just gonna drag this up and put it on top there. Maybe drag this one over a little bit. Okay, I don't know why. Oh yeah, I did on both sides. Okay, moves up a little bit. Really doesn't matter. All right, so I'm gonna finish my sketch. And then it says, I'm gonna double click to center this bad boy. Yeah. So I'm going to, extrude this latch. I like to flip it back so they don't go through the dimensions, but it's just my personal preference. And then the thickness is 0.25. 0.25. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. And then I'm just gonna add some visual touches. So shaded with edges, shadows, reflection. Maybe not the reflection. Let me go to my lighting, photo booth. I'm gonna add my smooth ivory. And let me see, that looks, make sure I click the home to get it in our orthographic, not ortho, but our isometric mode. Yeah, that looks good. So I'm gonna save this as Inventor Latch Clip. Inventor Latch Clip. Save it. Okay, and we're done. All right, so that's a wrap on that one. So the next one, we'll probably do the guide plate. Yeah, we'll probably do the guide plate next. All right, see y'all in the next lesson. Peace out.